Hi, I'm Robin Steele with Florida Homes Realty and Mortgage. I'm here today to talk about when we stage home, or when you stage your home for potential buyers. So this segment is going to cover kitchens and bathrooms. And I want to say, first of all, kitchens and bathrooms are the rooms that sell homes. So we need to pay particular attention to these particular rooms and make sure that they are absolutely at their best and spotless. So we'll start with kitchens. You want to make sure that everything is clean, put away, and statistics show that counters need to be completely cleared. If it's things that are not used or haven't been used in the last couple of months, put it away. And you can just put it in a cabinet somewhere where it's out of sight. Remove all the items such as magnets and notes from the refrigerator. So take all of those off. Any kind of mail or magazines that may be laying around on the counters or close to, just put those away. We don't want anything to look cluttered. So we want it neat and spotless. Let's move on to bathrooms. You want to remove any unnecessary or unused items that are on counters, so make those as clear as possible, whether on the countertop or on the commode. Everything needs to be very clean and streamlined and spotless. Your sinks, commodes, bath, and shower curtains should be immaculate. And it probably wouldn't be a bad idea to just purchase a new shower curtain or on the inside and just make sure that liner is pristine. No soap, scum, mildew, or hair should be in the sinks or anywhere in the bathroom. Like I said, it needs to be spotless. Fix any leaky faucets. And repair any kind of moisture stains that you would see around the bathroom, including the ceiling. And clean the tile in the grout. That's very important. And you can get a professional to do that for you. Many carpet cleaners will give you an estimate on that, and it's very minimal. And they do a great job. And that is all I have for you today. Again, this is Robin Steele with Florida Homes Realty and Mortgage. Thank you for joining us.